Hey guys, so today I am getting ready to paint these chicken foot bath bombs. They're for the Dark Circle box. Well, they're for the Voodoo Queen Dark Circle box. That's coming soon. I think they actually ship out like September 1st or so. Alright, so what should we do first? Let me get some alcohol in here. We'll do the black first. I actually try to work with one color at a time just because it dries out so fast. And I can't see my phone at all, which means I really can't see what you can see. Hopefully you can see. I should have pulled up a picture. I was kind of trying to paint them to match what Sudsy Sirens had already created with her real chicken feet. They're so cool. But this is one of the molds that I sell on my Etsy store. And since I had it, I couldn't let the chance really go by that I wouldn't try to match her chicken feet with my bath bomb. Would also like to announce who the PR team is. I know I had that contest and everybody is kind of confused. The PR team that I chose actually is Harlequin Kitty, and then there is just Jazzy Ace, and Mountain Raven, of course. She's always been there. I don't know if I said it, but there is one permanent PR team member, and that's just because she's been so supportive and hopeful and with me since day one. So, everybody else, I kind of figured I would just rotate, you know, give everybody a try. Give everybody a try. Give everybody a chance. I almost didn't pick anybody, to be honest, just because business-wise, it's not the best of decisions, because I almost would want anybody who is going to promote me to at least be bigger than me, and most people are not. And then the ones that were typically didn't even have like a YouTube channel or anything. I hope I'm not shaking the table too bad. I'm very shaky. It really looks like I'm shaking it though, so this might not turn out well. But a lot of the bigger ones didn't have a YouTube channel. I mean, they had good Instagram and stuff like that, but I enjoy watching the videos and stuff, so it's important to me. But yeah, I really almost just didn't pick anybody because nobody was really standing out a lot. I mean, of course there were people that I love, but business-wise, nobody big standing out. And to be fair, I went ahead and picked just because I know from past experience of my own accord that I have had big people demo my products, and I really didn't get a damn thing out of it. Like, I didn't really gain anything from it. It's not like my sales went up a lot or anything, really. In fact, most of my experiences with bigger people are bad. So, but what I do know for a fact is that the people that have helped me the most and sold the most things are very small YouTubers, actually. Just, you know, people are drawn to them and want what they have. So I went ahead and picked the people that I found to be very friendly and helpful, and that I thought, you know, that I'd like to work with. Even if they, maybe I can at least help them grow, alright? Maybe we can get something out of this. I mean, I know that's not what I should be focusing on, but I just like good people. I feel like that's who I picked. And that's not to say that there weren't other good people. There are some that I wanted to pick. Hopefully they'll grow a little bit, and then I can have everybody sign up again next year, and maybe they'll get in next year. Okay, I'm only doing 6 here on camera because I have like 17 to do and it would take all day. So, flip around here to the red. Looking good, I don't know. Hopefully it's a kind of okay representation of the real chicken foot. Either way, I'm so excited about this box. My mom is helping make altar cloths for it, which are gorgeous. And then I am also, on top of these, making like these enormous, almost life-size skull candles. Like, it's definitely my favorite box. Like I said, Voodoo Queen box. And it can be purchased on sudsysirens.com. And then in September, you guys, we are also coming out with a cheaper box, just because I wanted to do something a little bit cheaper. Which is the full moon bath box. It's all like bath, witchy, ritualistic stuff for each full moon, and that'll be a monthly box because I know people really like the monthly boxes. I got rid of mine. I might bring it back later. I doubt it though. I'm really having fun working on this stuff, and people can always go buy that monthly box. That I'm doing now, the full moon box. But like I said, it's on sudsysirens.com. And I would also like to thank everybody who commented and left me their stories and stuff about like their fibroids and hysterectomies, and I know it's a thing, and we all kind of go through something at some point, right? Kind of wanted to go around this edge. I guess I'm still in frame. Yeah, I kind of wanted to go around the edge in gold. What do you guys think? Wish we could have a chat. I guess I could go live, but I can't even see my camera, so it would be a terrible chat. I wouldn't be able to talk to you. It's probably a bad sound. I probably shouldn't do that. But yeah, my appointment to get my IUD is on the 10th. So I guess I will keep you updated after that. And I mean, that should be the end of the story, right? Kind of found a fix, which I did. But like I said, I don't know how many of you caught it. First of all, I've had 4 C-sections because I'm just so little. None of my babies wanted to turn and come out right. And so then when I went to get my biopsy or the IUD, of course, they also determined that like my cervix is closed and everything down there is so little, they're not sure that the IUD is even going to stay in. So I really, really hope it does. But if my body ends up pushing it out, then I guess maybe I'll just be having a hysterectomy too. This is such a pretty gold. I know the Voodoo Queen boxes are almost already sold out, you guys. So if you're watching this and you're like, ooh, I want that, you probably ought to get it as soon as you can. I mean, these are a last minute thing for me. I wasn't even really supposed to be doing this because most of my money went into the big candles in the altar cloths. But I just couldn't resist. I mean, you guys have seen Sudsy Siren's chicken feet, right? They were just so cool. And I was like, I have the opportunity to match that. How can I pass it up? I want to make this box as awesome as it can possibly be, just because it's my favorite. I mean, it's like the Samhain. You know what I meant, at Halloween. I don't even really call it that. Like, in my mind, I just am like, oh, it's time to talk to Grandma. Like, my ancestor, like, Ancestor Day, that's what I'm gonna call him. I've always struggled with that word. There's another one, too. What is it? It starts with the L. Longnasa. I think we're just gonna make rebel words for the holidays. That way I don't have to. But yeah, so basically the Voodoo Queen box is for Samhain. Am I even saying that right? I don't know. I guess I'm in frame. I don't know. I need to get a new camera. I mean, the ones I was using were alright. It's just easier to use my phone. But then when you do that, you can't see. These are so pretty. I don't know. I don't even think I expected them to turn out this good. I need to paint my tester one and go give it a whirl. Yeah, okay. So here are my 6. Because I said I would only do 6 since I have so many to do. I have like 17 total to do. So, yeah, what do you guys think? I like them, actually, more than I thought I would. Almost tempted to put another... another edge. Let me just do this one. Let's see what we think. It's a lot of gold. Gonna be a sparkly bath. See, like that. Or should we leave it? I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, hope you guys have a good night. Hope you enjoyed having a little bit of painting time with me. I find it pretty relaxing, and I love chatting with you guys. So, night night.